direct flights to the US will enhance JKA's stature as a regional hub airport and as the key gateway into the East and Central Africa. We expect the numbers of transit passengers to increase as well. This is part of our strategy to improve our regional competitiveness in the aviation sector, which accounts for about 5.1% of our GDP. The Nairobi-New York route will also impact the Kenya economy directly. The route will boost trade in both directions significantly. It also strengthens Kenya's positions as the travel and business hub of East and Central Africa.